Okay, hi, hello, good day po. So, what makes this training from TEDx is that it's really very timely. So, what really makes me fascinating and very accessible and easy to use is the Canva. So, I will make and try to use it. So, I already try mo and use it more often kasi madali lang siyang gamitin. So if you have already an existing account, so yan. So, I already create different design. So, based on different situations or occasions. So, it can be presentation, it can be for social media, for video, documents, whiteboard, sheets, and etc. So it still have the new one is the coding, creating website, and the most powerful in terms of editing is the magic layers. So meron na rin dito. So yan. So when you click this three dots here, so there are a lot of very useful apps in order for you to create more thing na related sa kung ano yung gagawin mo. So yung trending naman at na-trending ngayon is Canva AI. So, yan. I already created a lot of stuff here using this powerful Canva app. Madali lang kasi kapag Canva. So, I have here so, yan. So, once you open it, the Canva AI, so may mga suggested images na siya. So, to choose from. That if you're not satisfied with it, you can create another prompt that will make and create the things or the images that you want to come up with. So, yan po yung mga sample designs niya. So, assuming you're going to create more, you just put new chat. So, you just write the prompt here. So, for example, I want to enhance a certain image. I will just download the image, add image, upload the file, or instead you just, since I have here already from Canva, I have a lot of uploads here. I rather choose this, So I have here photo of my learner. So I want to enhance this photo and change this photo and change the background to educational theme. Yan. So, as you can see, let's wait and see how the Canva will enhance and make something level up, kumbaga, in terms of their AI app. So, yay! So, yan. So, you have this one. So, yun yung nag-come up sa kanya. But since I'm not satisfied with it, so we can make another image. So, let's try to use this one. So, ito na yung nagawa ko. Yan. So, ito yung ginawa ko before. So, yan. I'll just choose it. Ayan. Create me a food for thought background. So, AI gave me this 1, 2, 3, 4 images choices to choose from. So, very easy to use and access. So, since DepEd naman, merong DepEd talaga account. So, you can use it more often. So, yan. So, ito yung ano ko before. So, yan. As you can see, that's how easy I can make and make different. So if you have, so depende sa needs mo. So you can make it using this Canva AI, which is very, kumbaga, very friendly to use. User friendly to use. Yan.